This is the Chevrolet Nova, a compact that punched way above its weight. From humble beginnings to high-horsepower street machines, the Nova earned its place in muscle car history with simplicity, versatility, and surprising performance. Welcome to Auto Analyst, where we explore iconic rides and the stories behind them. Today we're taking a closer look at the Chevrolet Nova, the small car that made a big impact. The Nova's story began in 1962, when Chevrolet introduced the Chevy II as a response to Ford's Falcon. It was basic, affordable, and designed to be a practical daily driver. But by 1968, the Nova name had taken over and things started to heat up under the hood. Chevy offered a wide range of powertrains, but it was the big block V8S that turned heads. The SS396 Nova, in particular, became a street legend. With 375 horsepower packed into a lightweight body, the Nova was a sleeper, unassuming in size but brutally quick off the line. Its compact dimensions gave it a power-to-weight ratio that rivaled much larger muscle cars. It was simple, tough, and easy to modify, making it a favorite among drag racers and street racers alike. Whether stock or swapped, the Nova had the bones for serious speed. The 196, 81, 972 models were the most iconic. With clean lines, a wide stance, and just enough chrome to stand out, the Nova SS looked sharp without trying too hard. Inside, the cabin was straightforward, no frills, just the essentials, including optional bucket seats, a floor shifter, and rally gauges. By the early 70s, stricter emissions and insurance regulations slowed down muzzle across the board, and the Nova was no exception. Still, it remained a popular platform thanks to its affordability and strong aftermarket support. Later generations became more refined, but for many the raw charm of the early SS models is where the Nova left its mark. Whether cruising the streets or tearing up the quarter mile, it proved you didn't need a big car to have big power. Today, the Chevrolet Nova remains a favorite among collectors and builders. It represents a unique chapter in muscle history, one where performance met practicality and style met simplicity. The Chevy Nova may have started small, but it earned a giant reputation. Stay tuned to Auto Analyst for more legendary models, classic muscle features, and expert takes on the cars that built an era.